Good morning, children. How are you? Today we will learn one story from Fun with English book. Page number 38 and 39. Letter is L and the sound of this letter is L. Now Bharti ma'am will read the words of letter L. Lalit, leg, ladder, lizard, lighthouse, lift, lamp, Lena, lollipop, leaves and lucky. Lion. Now children, I will read the story of this letter L. Lalit was escaping from the lion and was climbing the ladder. Lucky was holding a lollipop and got scared. Lena was holding a lamp. Lena was holding a lamp and people were going in the lift. Lorry was standing still on the road. Children, read this story, learn the words and send your videos to Bharti ma'am. Thank you. See you tomorrow.